Welcome to the Introduction to Cloud Computing, what you need to know in 2026. This comprehensive video guides you through cloud fundamentals and major providers. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Technical Education series. We begin with Chapter 1, Understanding Cloud Computing Fundamentals, exploring the core concepts powering today's digital infrastructure. What is cloud computing? It's the delivery of computing services like servers, storage, and software over the internet. It provides scalable resources instantly, known as on-demand access, without requiring you to own physical infrastructure. Cloud computing matters today because it transforms industries, powering everything from AI innovations to banking systems. It accelerates business by reducing IT costs and enabling global scaling without massive capital investments. The evolution of the cloud began with time-sharing systems in the 1960s. The modern cloud era truly ignited in 2006 with the launch of Amazon Web Services, making the cloud the backbone of global digital transformation by 2026. This journey represents a 6-decade transformation, moving computing from mainframes into global cloud infrastructure. Key characteristics of cloud computing include on-demand self-service, broad network access, and resource pooling. You also benefit from rapid elasticity to scale resources and a measured service, meaning you pay only for what you use. Cloud deployment models include public cloud for shared, cost-effective infrastructure and private cloud for dedicated, secure environments. Hybrid cloud combines both for flexibility, while multi-cloud uses multiple providers to optimize performance and reduce risk. This chart illustrates how deployment models balance control and flexibility. Public cloud offers high flexibility but low control, while private cloud provides high control. Hybrid and multi-cloud strike varying balances based on business needs. The cloud service models form the building blocks of the cloud. From the base, we have IaaS, or Infrastructure as a Service, then PaaS, Platform as a Service, FaaS, Function as a Service, and finally, SaaS, Software as a Service. Think of the cloud as a utility, like electric power. You pay for what you use, following a consumption-based model, and there is no need to invest in or maintain your own infrastructure. Chapter 2 covers the core functionalities across cloud providers, focusing on essential services that power modern cloud infrastructure. Compute services include virtual machines for traditional applications and container orchestration, using Kubernetes for modern microservices architecture, offering flexible, scalable computing power. Storage services are categorized into object storage for unstructured data like backups, block storage for high-performance needs like databases, and file storage for shared systems and legacy compatibility. Cloud networking features include virtual private clouds, or VPCs, to securely isolate resources. Load balancers distribute traffic for reliability, and content delivery networks, or CDNs, accelerate global access by caching content near users. Database services offer diverse options, including relational and NoSQL databases. Cloud providers automate management tasks like backups and scaling, allowing your team to focus on application development. Security and identity management are critical. This includes data encryption, identity and access management, or IAM, to control resource access, and multi-factor authentication for added security and compliance. The cloud provides services for monitoring, big data analytics, and advanced AI and machine learning. These tools offer real-time visibility into performance and enable actionable business insights. Chapter 3 provides an overview of the big 3 cloud providers, comparing the leading platforms that power global infrastructure. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is the industry leader, holding 30 to 37% of the market share. It offers over 200 services across 34 global regions, providing the broadest service portfolio and unmatched global reach. Microsoft Azure is the second largest provider, with about 23% market share. Its key strengths include deep integration with Microsoft enterprise products and robust hybrid cloud capabilities for on-premises integration. Google Cloud Platform, or GCP, is the third largest, specializing in data analytics excellence with services like BigQuery. Its AI and machine learning innovations and tight integration with Google Workspace are key strengths. The cloud market share in 2026 is dominated by AWS, Azure, and GCP. AWS leads. Azure shows strong enterprise adoption, and GCP focuses on data and AI workloads. The remaining share belongs to other providers, like IBM and Oracle. When comparing compute offerings, all 3 providers offer flexible virtual machines. They also provide similar serverless computing, like Lambda and Azure functions, and managed Kubernetes services for container orchestration. Comparing storage solutions, all providers offer highly durable object storage, such as AWS S3 and Azure Blob Storage. They also use tiered pricing and offer archive options for long-term, infrequent access needs. Networking features are similar across providers, including virtual networks like AWS VPC for isolated environments. All offer global load balancing and content delivery network options, alongside security controls like firewalls. Database services comparison includes relational options, such as AWS RDS, Azure SQL Database, and Google Spanner. For NoSQL, key offerings are AWS DynamoDB, Azure Cosmos DB, and GCP Firestore. In security, AWS offers extensive compliance and IAM. Azure focuses on strong identity management and integrated threat protection. GCP provides advanced security analytics and customer-managed encryption keys. A key lesson from incidents, like the 2019 Amazon breach, is the shared responsibility model. Cloud providers secure the infrastructure, but customers must protect their data, applications, and access controls. Chapter 4 addresses choosing the right cloud provider, covering strategic considerations for selecting the optimal cloud platform. Factors to consider include your business needs, the cost structure, and integration compatibility with existing tools. Also, assess the support ecosystem, community resources, and partner maturity. Multi-cloud and hybrid strategies help you avoid vendor lock-in, optimize performance and cost, and meet disaster recovery and data sovereignty needs. Strategic use of multiple providers maximizes flexibility and resilience. Cloud migration involves an assessment phase to evaluate readiness, then selecting a strategy, lift and shift for quick moves, or re-architecting for cloud-native optimization. Finally, use execution tools like Azure Migrate or AWS Migration Hub. For cloud management and cost optimization, continuously monitor usage and spending patterns. Ensure you are right-sizing resources and apply FinOps principles to maintain financial accountability for maximum ROI. Emerging trends in cloud computing for 2026 include AI-powered cloud services and the growth of edge computing with 5G for low-latency applications. There is also an increased focus on green cloud initiatives and sustainability. Chapter 5 focuses on getting started with cloud computing and your pathway to mastering cloud technology. We recommend pursuing industry-recognized learning resources and certifications, such as the AWS Certified Solutions Architect, the Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals, or the Google Cloud Certified Associate. Gain hands-on practice by utilizing the generous free tier opportunities offered by AWS, Azure, and GCP. Try deploying a static website, building a serverless API, or creating a managed database application. In summary, cloud computing is the future of IT, delivering agility and innovation. Understanding each provider's strengths enables informed, strategic decisions. Remember that continuous learning is essential for mastering this evolving technology. Thank you for watching this video. The next steps are to explore hands-on using free accounts, assess your organization's specific needs, and stay current by following cloud trends and pursuing certifications.